Dear learners, this is our second video regarding tenses, and today we are going to talk about present, past, and future continuous tense. We will discuss the ways of forming sentences in continuous tense. We will also observe the changes that occur when we move from present to past and then to future continuous. Let's have a look at positive or affirmative sentences. In the present slide, you can see present, past, and future. In present, we have three helping verbs after the subjects. For first person singular, we have am. For third person singular, we have is. And for the rest of persons like we, you, they, we have are as helping verbs. So three helping verbs, am, is, are used in present form of verb. Then with first form of verb, we use ing form to form our sentence in continuous, which is also called present participle. So the first sentence becomes, I am speaking truth. Second one, he is sleeping now. And third one, you, they, we are plucking flowers. When we move from present to past, so there is only one change, and that is the change of helping verb. In some cases, as in the second sentence, you can observe that there is use of now. And this adverb now, it has to be changed into them when we move from present to past. So these are minor changes which have to be kept in mind. So the first sentence becomes, I was speaking truth. Second, he, she, cow was sleeping then. And third one, we, you, they were plucking flowers. In future, when we move from present, past to future, so you can observe that with helping verb that was already present there, we have to use be, and then we can use ing form. If you use it without be, it will not be acceptable. It will be wrong expression. So I will be speaking truth. He, she, or cow will be sleeping now. You, they will be plucking flowers. So there is synchronization or similarity in all the forms of future. So we have the same will be, will be, will be. So it is comparatively easier. When we move to negative sentences, negative formation in continuous is quite easy. You have to just insert or put not after helping verb. So that is how your sentences are formed. Negation is formed. That is, you can see here that after am, is, are, we have inserted not, and our negative sentences are formed. Similarly, in past, after was and were, we have added not and negation is formed. In future, you have to be a bit careful because sometimes students add not after be, which is the wrong expression. So you have to use it after will. So it will be, I will not be speaking truth. She or he will not be sleeping now. We will not be plucking flowers. So this is what you have to keep in mind. Moving on to interrogative sentences. Interrogative, again, it's very easy in continuous because only helping verb has to be shifted to the first position. And then at the end of the sentence, you have to use question mark. So the first sentence in present becomes, am I speaking truth? In past, it becomes, was I speaking truth? And in future, it will be like this, will I be speaking truth? And then the other sentences will also be formed in the same way. That is, bringing helping verb in the first position and your sentences are formed. As regards negative and interrogative or negative plus interrogative sentences where we have both negation and interrogation. So again, it's easy, though apparently it does not seem to be. But what you have to keep in mind, like we did in indefinite, that from negative sentences, you have to choose or you have to pick helping verb and just bring it in the beginning. Keep the not at its place and your sentence is formed. And at the end of the sentence, take off the full stop and use question mark instead. The first sentence becomes, am I not speaking truth? In past, it becomes, was I not speaking truth? And in future, it will be like this, will I not be speaking truth? Similar will be done with other sentences, like we have, are we not plucking flowers? In past, were we not plucking flowers then? And then third one, will we not be plucking flowers? This is how you construct sentences in continuous tense, that is positive, negative, interrogative, and negative plus interrogative. Hope you have got the idea. And if you have any comments or queries, you can ask. And if you like the video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you very much.